Greetings. English for beginners. How to say hello and goodbye when you meet people. How to ask how someone is. Vocabulary. Words that you can use when you greet someone. Hi. Hey. Hello. How to use vocabulary in conversations. Hi, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? How to reply to the greetings.
Hi. My name is Peter. What's yours?
Hello, my name is Susan. Nice to meet you.
Vocabulary that can be used for replying. Great. Tired. Okay. Good. Not well today. How are you? I'm okay, thanks. I'm good, thanks. I'm great. Thanks. I'm not feeling well today. I'm tired today. Conversation.
Hello, I'm Susan. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great, thanks.
Let's have a look at more greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Greeting someone at a particular time of the day.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. I'm okay, thanks. And you?
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. And you? Good to see you.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you? Good to see you.
Vocabulary, phrases and conversation when saying goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you later. Conversation.
Great to see you.
You too. Okay then, see you. Bye.
See you next week. Good night.
Good night.